Assalamu alaikum dear students. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome in lecture 30. I think so this is lecture 30. Clear? In this lecture I will basically covering a frame structure, and the frame structure which is right on my screen. I try my best inshallah to solve it. And I will also cover two further frames, okay, in this lecture. So this will be you can say a lengthy lecture, and inshallah you will enjoy. Clear? So let's see. So my safe is open. Okay. Make sure your units are in kf feet. Clear? New template. Let's say I will use this one. Sorry. Unit is kf feet. New template. We'll use this one. I have number of story equals to 1. Clear? I have studio height equals to studio height is my 9 feet, and bay width is 18 feet. Clear? Studio height is 9 feet, number of bays equals to 1, and bay width is 18 feet. Clear? We don't need to grid the grid data. Okay. How much I will insert? I think so I will insert number of bays equals to, this is 1, studio height is 9 feet, number of bays equals to 1, bay width is basically it is 18 feet. Bay width is 18 feet. Clear? Okay. So make sure you will be in exi-plane. We don't need this portion. Okay. We have to assign a joint that is hinge support there. Okay. And you see that the hinge support is horizontal with this, okay, this member. So we need to rotate this. Okay. Assign joint local axis, and we need to rotate this clockwise, okay, in clockwise direction. So by inserting now if 90 degree, okay, we have to rotate it by an amount of 90 degree about y-axis. Okay. So we have to assign a UDL for kip per feet distributed. Make sure this is 0. Okay, modify it. Okay, kip feet. Your axis will be global, direction will be gravity. The load magnitude is 4 kip per feet. Clear? So this is, select this member, assign frame load, distributed, and now here kip feet add with existing global direction but not the gravity. You have to apply the loading in x direction. Okay, but your loading direction is opposite to the positive x direction. So insert with a negative value, -2 kip per feet. Okay, this direction, and looking to the sign. The sign is negative. So loads are assigned, members and joints are assigned. We will analyze the structure. This is example number 34. Okay, save it. 34 is already present. 35. This is example number 35. Example number 35. Okay, here we go. This is a deflected shape. We need joints, reactions. These are joint reactions. Let me check it. Okay, the joint reactions are, you see, this one. Okay, so that is A and C. So we need AX, that is the horizontal, and AY, that is vertical. This is okay, and this one is also okay. 42 CY and CX 3.7. Clear? So 42, 21, 29 and 3.40. So the results are okay. So you can show your shear force diagram as well. Show values. This is shear force diagram. Okay, maximum shear at this point. Clear? Right there. And you can see your bending moment diagram right there. This is the maximum moment diagram. Okay, there is maximum bending moment diagram. So this is the end of this example. Now we will analyze this frame. Okay, so let's say it is similar to this one. This the dimensions are 10 by 10, 3 kip and 500 pounds. Okay, the example basically was in my structure analysis paper 1, paper 2. Save it. The units are kip feet, pound feet. Clear? So select unit, new template, beam. We have one number of story. Story height is basically 10 feet, and number of bay is basically 1. We have now one number of bay, and bay width is basically 10 feet. Okay, so that is bay and that is story. So there are two story. Okay, but we have one story. Clear? So let's see. Okay, delete this portion. Okay, and there is fixed support and there is ruler support. Clear? So select it, assign, join, restrain, and this is fix and this is ruler. Assign, join, restrain, this is ruler. You can rotate this, assign, joint, local, same, that is 90 degree. Okay, and now it is okay. Okay, we have to apply, that is 503 kip. So there we need 500, assign, frame load, distribute it, make sure this is 0. Okay, modify. Okay, and pound feet, global gravity. Okay, and this is, I think so, 500 pound feet, 500 pound feet. Clear? This is 500 pound feet, and we need to apply a joint reaction. Select the joint, assign joint load, force found. This is in kip. The force is basically in kip. Global axis, add with existing, and you know the this load is basically in the direction of x. Okay, so therefore we need to apply the load in opposite x direction. Clear? With a negative sign. Clear? So this one with a negative sign minus 3 kip. Clear? So here we go. Okay, now we assign loads. Okay, and if you are interested to display, okay, so this option, and okay, you know, your load are assigned, members are assigned, joints are assigned. Now we will analyze the structure. Model do not run. Okay, and run now. Save it. This is example number 36. Okay, and save it. This is movement diagram. We need reactions, joints. Okay, this one. Clear? This is 1883. This is 3000, and this is 3116. So let's see. There is. This is 18,075. Say 1.875 kips. So this is 18,000. This is 3000 because this is kip in kips. This is 3000, and this is 625. That is the moment. Okay, so we will check this moment at a support A. So reactions are okay. Now we draw the shear force diagram. This is shear force diagram. Okay, and this will be the moment diagram. Clear? This will be the moment diagram. So you see there, okay, the maximum moment is this one, and if you divide this, so you can see that this reaction at A basically, okay, which is at A, you can see that the reaction is 6,250 found. Clear? So if you want to see it, just bring the cursor and press the right key. There is. To convert the unit to kip feet, 6.17, that is the moment at the fixed point. Okay, so this is the another frame. Okay, that how we will analyze. Clear? We have this frame. Okay, I leave this frame for you people. This is simple. This is fixed support, and this is ruler. Okay, and only one 10 kif load is present there. This example also in my structure 2 paper. Okay, so this is a quite simple question. Okay, it is not difficult, and you see that the the load is applied at the mid span, so you just need to draw the frame by the same way as I already draw the 2 frames. Okay, apply the load at the midpoint. Okay, and analyze the structure. Okay, so I think I'm done here, and now it is your turn that you will do a practice on it. So I will select it some another interesting example from this book. This is chapter number 10 of RC Hebler 8th edition, and there are many other examples, you need to select them and analyze them. Okay, so please share your comments, watch the video and enjoy. Thank you.